Hey everyone! Today we're diving into some spicy political drama between Zimbabwe and Zambia. Buckle up, because this one's a wild ride. So picture this, George Charamba, the spokesperson for Zimbabwe's President Emmerson Mnangagwa, has stirred up quite the diplomatic storm. Just recently, Charamba took to Twitter and called Zambia's President Hombe Hichilema a sellout. Yeah, you heard that right. He used the Shona word mutengezi, which translates to sellout in English. And this isn't the first time he's done it. Now, you might be wondering, why all the fuss? Well, it all started when Hichilema had some cozy interactions with the opposition MDC alliance leaders in Zimbabwe, Nelson Chamisa and Tendai Biti. These connections have made Zimbabwe's ruling party a bit, let's say, jittery. Back in May, Charamba first dropped the sellout bomb and it didn't go unnoticed. Fast forward to now and he's done it again, right after Hichilema's inauguration as Zambia's new president. Talk about timing. So how did Zambia react? Well, they didn't take it lightly. The United Party for National Development spokesperson Joseph Kalimbwe described Charamba's comments as catastrophic. That's a strong word, folks. And it doesn't stop there. Kalimbwe made it clear that such remarks won't be brushed off, especially with Mnangagwa attending Hichilema's inauguration. Charamba, on the other hand, didn't seem too bothered. He doubled down on his statement, responding to critics on Twitter with, "Yes, they are sellouts, what is your problem?" Oof, that's some serious shade. Now let's talk about Hichilema's response. During his inauguration speech, he made a point to emphasize his commitment to mutual respect and international cooperation. He said, "Under our administration, our country will continue to be an active member of regional, continental, and international bodies." He also stressed the importance of promoting open and cordial relations with their neighbors. It's almost like he was subtly addressing the elephant in the room. So, what does this mean for Zimbabwe and Zambia? Well, it looks like the diplomatic tensions are high, and it'll be interesting to see how this plays out. Both countries have a lot at stake, and maintaining good relations is crucial. But for now, let's keep our eyes on Twitter and see if Charamba has any more fiery comments up his sleeve. And of course, we'll be watching how Hichilema navigates this tricky diplomatic terrain. That's all for today, folks. If you found this political drama as intriguing as I did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Do you think Charamba's comments were out of line, or is he just telling it like it is? Let's discuss. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.